I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase. This is actually from Macy's. This is the Casio G-Shock GBX-100-7. So with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. There's an idea, or there's the style number I mentioned, GBX-100-7CR. I mentioned Macy's. I got it during their friends and family sale. I paid $120 for it, and then Rakuten had a 10% off coupon that I also used on top of that. So it cost me just over $100. Let's take a look at everything we get. This is module number 3482. Let's see if I can give you a better angle here. Pretty standard. A G-Shock 10. International warranty card. I mentioned Macy's. That seems to be my go-to place, at least for Casio watches. They're an authorized dealer, never had any issues, and if you wait and buy at the right time, you can usually get 30% off, which is nice. So I was never really set out to get this watch, and every time I see people in various watch forms wearing it, I just like the look of it. I don't have any watches that have a white band. I don't really like the inverted display, but I like this model because it's very easy to see. Let's take a look at the tag real quick. It's not solar power. That's the one thing that I would have changed on it if I could have. Band is nice and soft, especially for a G-Shock. It's real rubbery. A lot of times they have more of a plastic feel, but this one has a good flexibility to it, nice feel to it. Hopefully you're going to be able to see that case back okay. This is just an unboxing. In the event I start using the watch, figure out some of the functionality, I will try and attach a link to some other videos. Just pressing the mode button, go through a few different screens. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing. I hope the video helps.